Kim Cruse got fame through the NBC singing reality show The Voice Season 22. She sings Best Part on The Voice Blind Auditions 2022. She was always fearless on the stage and loved to demonstrate her talents. Kim Cruse is a singer from Woodville, Texas. She had already released music prior to appearing on the reality television show. Cruse is undoubtedly a highly gifted vocalist, as shown by the fact that she already has a fan base that is eagerly anticipating the chance to see her perform on The Voice Season 22. She has a sense of humor about her allergies, which Texas can be a bit notorious for. She began posting singing videos on social media on the side. She has her own EP out now, appropriately titled Kim Cruse. She released it on her birthday, which is February 20th. Kim is very self-assured in her abilities, and she believes that she possesses what it takes to win the 22nd season of The Voice. She finds them so relatable, plus everyone has shown a ton of love on this particular song. There are clips of people singing this song. She is really excited to sing that song to others. Kim won the 2020 edition of Race to the Blue, an online singing competition hosted by Cruse. She thus took on a more prominent vocal role on 3 songs from his upcoming album, An Invitation to a Cookout, which also includes Voice alumni Brooke Simpson, Avery Wilson, and the late Janice Freeman. She also released the song Don't You Wanna Go in November as a promotional piece for Waffle House. Kim began her musical career at a very young age. When she was only 3 years old, she started making music and singing. As she got older, her appreciation for music only grew stronger, and she never stopped singing. Kim began her musical career as a child as a choir member in a church, where her father would later become a pastor and worship leader. Kim was certainly destined for greatness, and her appearance on The Voice